Isho Macele ithi mina izingane zami ngizitreat ngendlela efanayo.
Now more than ever, I'm convinced that Mseleko has lost his natural mind. Because tell me why, just a few episodes ago, this man was pressuring Below into having a child, proving once again his love for kids, right? But now when Macelo wants Ne's kids, especially Tando, to carry the Mseleko name, he's out here saying Mama K is drunk. Hey, Bo. Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and set it to all so that you don't miss out on anything. Now let's get into this madness. We have Mseleko and Mama K sit down, right? Where they are discussing Sneh and her kids. Firstly, Sneh, how things went at Home Affairs, whether she was successfully able to change her last name to Mseleko. And Mama K tells him, yes, she was able to do that just fine. She's now Mseleko. Then comes Babake saying, oh, Michael is busy saying he doesn't treat all his kids equally. Sharp. Who cares what Babake says anyways, especially these days? Nobody, hence why Mamake continued to tell him that Sneh wasn't able to change her kids to be Mseleko's though, because she didn't provide enough paperwork for that to happen. Babake is like, thank God that didn't happen. Makele then tells him, no, I'll make sure that happens. I'll push her to change their last name to Mseleko because I want Tando to be Mseleko. She is mine. She also goes on to tell him, if push comes to shove, I'll personally go to Home Affairs myself. He quickly started losing his mind at this point. Why would you want to do that for? Mamake continues to tell him of her plan to change Tando's last name, right? She's like, no, when you get to Home Affairs, you and I will tell them that she's one of the kids I came into the marriage with. At this point, Babake loses all his senses. He's like, I won't do that. You must be drunk. At this point, I'm really disturbed by this man because instead of him being grateful that she loves his kids as her own, he's busy out here saying she would rather fight me over my child. I'm like, sir, when you get married, you give up the I this, I that, mind this, mind that. Whether you like it or not, your kids are his. So you better step back with the my child is my child that. And you better help her, especially with Tando. Put aside your tantrums. Go with her to Home Affairs. Put on a united front and help her with these kids.
Isho Macele ithi mina izingane zami ngizitreat ngendlela efanayo. Usine wathatha indlela ukuthi oka Home Affairs ngangayithola manje ireport yokuthi uhambe kanjani lapha.
Useyile ka Home Affairs wabuya nakho izinto ukuthi useshintshiwe uthi usebiza Mseleko. Kwawukuthi izingane zikashintshile ngoba yena uSneh khona izinto engazange ayihambise eHome Affairs ukuthi zikwazi ukushintsheka i-defeat zengane.
Hawu siyabonga.
Yes.
Cha sibonga ukuthi lezo ngane zishintshe kahle. Hawu siyabonga.
Ngizomphusha ukuthi kushintsheke izingane ngoba more than
For what?
angifuna uThandiwa abize Mseleko.
For what?
Bobo wami uThandiwa. I think ubekhe khona enye into ayaziyo noma ayibonayo ngoThando engayiboni mina. Okwamanje akaphumele ubala angitshela ukuthi no kuzoba ukuthi usakhuluma nje into nami engayi-understand ukuthi uthini. Kanti ngekhathi esakhuluma ke into engayi-understand ukuthi uthini mina ngizoqhubeka ngenze sure ukuthi le ngane ibiza Mseleko. Kodwa ngokutshela
Engathi angashintsheki.
Uzoshintsheka ngizoyela ke mina ngeHome Affairs.
Uma wakhe yini wena?
Thatha ngokuthi babakhe izingane zami engifike nazo ke la kulomshado.
Ngeke ngithatheke lokho uyangidakela. Ngeke ngithatheke. Umacela uncamela ukuxabana nami ngindoda yakhe ngengane yami.
Let's continue in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.